In this video, I'll guide you through how to remove an employee on Gusto. Whether you're managing your own business or handling HR tasks, knowing how to efficiently navigate employee management systems is crucial. Gusto is a popular platform for payroll services, and removing an employee is a simple task if you follow these steps carefully. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to gusto.com. This is where you'll log in to your Gusto account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to set one up, but for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to assume you're already a registered user. Once you're on the homepage, enter your login details and access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll see a navigation panel with various options. Look for the tab labeled People. Click on this tab to access a list of all your current employees. This section is your main hub for managing employee records, so getting familiar with it is a good idea. Now that you're in the People tab, you should see a comprehensive list of all your employees. Browse through this list until you find the employee you wish to remove. Once located, look towards the right-hand side of the employee's name and you'll see 3 vertical dots. This is a context menu that provides you with additional actions you can take. Click on these 3 dots to reveal more options related to that specific employee. Among the options that appear, you should see one labeled Remove. This is the option you need to select in order to proceed with removing the employee from your records. Click Remove, and the system will typically prompt you with a confirmation message. This is an important step. Make sure you review the details to ensure you're removing the correct person, as this action may be irreversible. After confirming your choice, Gusto will process the removal. This might take a few moments, so be patient. Once completed, the employee will no longer appear in your active employee list, and their access to the system will be revoked, ensuring that your records remain up to date and secure. That's all there is to it. Removing an employee from Gusto is straightforward, but it's essential to double-check each step to avoid any accidental deletions. Remember, maintaining accurate employee records is not just a regulatory requirement, but it also helps in smooth operations within your business. If you ever need to re-add an employee, or if you've accidentally removed someone, Gusto has support resources that can assist you with these situations. Always make sure to keep a backup of your important data for any unforeseen circumstances. I hope this guide has been helpful in simplifying the process of removing an employee on Gusto. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore other resources or reach out for more support. Thanks for watching, and good luck with managing your team on Gusto.